Welcome back, everybody. You are about to be the life of the party with these potato puffs. By the way, this is very slimming.
And this puff over here. I'm a potato
He looks
puff.
so great.
You do look great.
He does look great. Super Home Surplus Kitchen is where we are. We've got Brooklyn Maple with Specialty Foods Group. You are making these. They sound real fancy. I'm not gonna lie.
I can't. We try to fancy it up for you.
It sounds fancy
We took
already.
a step up. I don't know if y'all know that it's actually National Nutrition Month.
No.
So we've been really giving you bacon and stuffing things with sausage for a while. So
And we love
figured
you for it.
we'd
We
lighten it
love
up
you
for
for it.
you.
Yeah, okay.
So we went with our Kentucky Legend oven roasted turkey.
That's really good.
It's amazing. What's great about this too is it's already pre-sliced. So if you look right over here, you can see how it's already laid out. I mean,
Look how pretty.
It's such an easy product. So now we wanted to kind of give you another way of using it besides throwing it on your salad or throwing it in a sandwich.
Okay, cool. So you've got these potatoes. You've already sliced and boiled and done the whole thing.
I just
Okay.
want to make sure you guys saw we'd already done it. You do peel these.
Yep.
I made it once and didn't peel it.
Oh.
Not the best
Not
idea.
the best idea. All right.
I'm just putting in 1/4 cup of light sour cream.
Okay.
And then also 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper and 1/4 teaspoon of salt.
All right. We're mixing that up.
Yep, we're
is
doing that.
good.
What's great about these two is 2 puffs are only 70 calories. So you're looking at 6 grams of carbs. There's a gram of fiber, so really only 5 that you have to worry about hitting the treadmill for.
This is really good.
So,
Treadmill.
yeah. Do you like the treadmill?
He's like,
Is this?
what? Go ahead.
Good,
Yeah, you're
okay.
good. It's edible.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yes, you can. All
got
right.
this
I also
going.
have, a tablespoon of butter.
Yes, you do.
That's good.
Don't
We
forget the
also,
butter.
I know,
Butter.
a third a cup of Parmesan cheese.
Right?
Third a cup of roasted red peppers. Those come in strips. You do want to dice those. I just want to let you know that.
That looks really good.
I'm going to let you help me. You want to stir that
Yeah,
while
girl.
I add these
Yeah, girl.
in?
I'll
Do
take
it.
care of this over here.
Yeah, I just
He's got that on lock. No worries.
Doesn't that
What we
look
got going
delicious?
here?
Ooh, what is this that you're putting in? Just
4
egg.
egg yolks.
Okay, just egg yolks.
Yes.
Got it.
So
Yummy.
that now we're officially in the moment where you can't just stick your finger in it and eat
I
it.
love it.
So
Okay.
it's a cup of cheddar cheese.
Yeah.
Well, really you put 3/4 and then you sprinkle some on the top, but let's be serious. I'm gonna toss it all in
Oh,
there.
we're not gonna warm up. Yeah, don't be measuring that. Just put the more the better, right?
Now, yes, and it's the same with the turkey. The recipe calls for 3/4 a cup.
This
That's
turkey
fine.
one.
That's a cup.
That's fine. You know what? This is seriously one of my favorite things because I can buy one of those and
Yes.
keep it in the fridge and use it multiple times. I know it's in there. My kid loves it with her omelet. Like when I do omelets, little diced turkey in it. So good. Yeah.
Don't tell my boss, but I steal them out of the fridge all the time. I love them. I can't help it. I love it.
Now this is the apple. What kind of apple did you use, girl?
I actually used a Gallet apple, which was, it's a pretty small apple. You really don't need too much, and it's surprisingly one of the best parts of the bite, if you ask me.
Oh, I like that. It
And
adds
then-
that sweet to it.
Yes, and then a tablespoon of chives.
Okay.
Now, whenever you're cutting those, you are going to want to put a few over to the side because we made it so beautiful by dolloping on the sour cream and then also putting the chives on top, so you will want to make sure you have a few. Now, the
right.
best part here is
Yeah.
we have already preheated the oven. I want
Okay.
to kick you out of the way. We preheated the oven to 400 degrees.
You've got this
And then
little
we've
thing.
also oiled this. I
Yeah.
do not suggest, from my own personal experiences, to
Yeah.
freeze this and then try to recook it. 'cause
Okay.
It does
Not-
make it a little mushy.
It doesn't fall under the freezes beautifully section.
Yes, it does
Okay.
not.
All right.
I have
that's
found
fine.
that out from
Yeah.
my own pain and suffering.
That's fine. So we're gonna put these in. Rudy's
Yes.
supervising. How we doing, Rudy?
You're doing
I'm
great.
just going to
Good,
pick a random little
good.
spot here.
Does this look good?
Wonderful.
And then here we would actually usually just kind of toss a little cheddar on top as well.
More cheddar.
But since I poured it all in the recipe,
That's fine.
Today, ooh,
Oh, that's all right.
today
Look,
isn't the day
look.
for that.
Yeah, just a little.
See, we'll put this right over here to the side. You know
I'll
what?
move that out of the way and
You
show
cook
all
with
some
me.
finished product.
You never
So
know
this-
what's gonna happen. Okay.
Now I'm just throwing you off. I'm going into the oven. You don't know what to do. I know.
She's going over here.
This,
So
this
you
new
got this.
KitchenAid oven.
Isn't it beautiful? You do
feel
a
like
really good Vanna, by the way.
Yes, thank you.
That's beautiful.
I feel like you have so many traits.
He does, doesn't he? These are gorgeous.
There they are.
We can-
Look at that. Okay, I'm going to move this out of the way so we can show everybody.
Let's
what's
not
happening
burn
over
anyone,
here.
but feel free
Look.
to
Is
that
post.
That's super warm. I'm going to take one
is
that's
really
up here.
Yes, I
We're going
suggest
to try
doing
those.
that.
All right. Brooklyn, you're amazing. You ready?
This right here?
We're going to do it?
Oh,
We're
yeah?
gonna
Oh,
cheers
absolutely.
it. Cheers.
Yeah.
Cheers.
You can have one?
I know,
You're
I've-
amazing.
I've only had
This,
1,000.
www.specialtyfoodsgroup.com is where you can go for more information. We're going to put this on our website as well. It's so good.
Wow.
Yes. And we also will be having coupons next month on our Facebook page, so look at us. We're actually under Kentucky Legend, so KentuckyLegend.com.
And this is really good for you too, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. So good.